Hey guys, it's me Amanda, also known as Amateur's, and today we're doing a Valentine's Day look. I'm doing another talk over so I don't have to edit so long or so much of these videos, so I hope that you enjoy this video and keep on watching. First off, I'm going to prime my eyes using Maybelline's Cover Stick Concealer. This will help prevent the color from creasing and it will brighten the color as well. So I'm just going to take some of my finger and I'm just going to put it all over my eyelid. I'm going to bring it up into my brow bone. For majority of this look, I'm using ColourPop's X's and O's palette, which looks like this. And I'm going to start off with the shade Issues, which is right here. And I'm going to place this all over my eyelid where I placed the concealer and into the crease and really blending it out. So I'm just going to take a nice fluffy brush. I'm using the Morphe M441 brush. Got this at Ulta. I'm going to place it all over my eyelid. Making sure that I'm not blurry. Sorry guys if I am. It's hard to see at this distance. Really bring it up into your crease and blend it out. Like so. Now I'm taking, gotta clean it off first, my Morphe M513, and I'm going to use the color Stray Golden, which is funny because it's a red, so why is it called Stray Golden? It's right here. Now it's hard to describe what I'm going to do next. I'm going to place the color at the end of my eye. Let me set this down. Right here. I'm going to blend it in and into the crease a little bit, but I'm going to try to avoid the center of my eyelid. I mean, if you get a little bit in the center, it's not going to hurt anything, but majority of the center should be clear of the red. Just going to brighten it up with more red. Like so. Now I'm taking a small brush. This brush doesn't have a name on it, sorry, but it looks like this. It's a sharp tip brush. I forgot what they're called. There's a specific name for these brushes and I cannot remember what it's called. In the same Stray Golden color, I'm going to take this small brush, put some red on it, and put this in the inner corner of my eye and spread it towards the center. I'm going to bring it up into the crease. And towards the other end, above the center, and blend it out using the small precision brush. I think that's what it's called, precision? I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. Like so. So now we have that. I'm going to blend this a little bit further out so it doesn't look like it's just like a weird edge there. Now I'm going to take the color Know Better, which is this color, this pink color right here. Yeah, Know Better. And I'm going to take a packing brush, looks like this. I'm going to wetten it using Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Rose 3-in-1 Primer Water. I have a hair on this, so let's get that off. Spray it down pick up the pigment of the color, like this. Look how pigmented that is. And I'm going to put it on the center of my eyelid. All the areas that we did not touch with the red. If you want to bring it further into the red, go on ahead. The water, the liquid, should help brighten the color on top of the dark color, so you don't have to worry about it like being dulled out from the red underneath. I'm just going to take this Morphe M506 brush. Looks like this. I'm just going to blend this out right here. It's clean, so it's just going to blend out the color a little bit. Going back to Stray Golden, the red color, by the way, because that's a weird name for a red color, Stray Golden. I don't know, it just bothers me a little bit. I'm going to take my precision brush, a little bit of red, and I'm going to put it at the end of my eye and then right in the beginning of it. So right here. And right here. I added a lot right here. Let's see if I can clean that up. A lot more than I expected. Mistakes happen. Now I'm going to go back to Know Better, the pink. I'm going to put that in the center of my lower lid and in the tear duct. So right here, right underneath where the pink is on top, and in the center. Not in the center, I'm sorry. In the tear duct. Now taking an angled brush, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills 12 brush, and I'm using the color Reckless. This one, it's like a maroon brown. And I'm going to line my upper lid and give it a little bit of a tail. You can do this with eyeliner if you prefer. Especially with a black eyeliner, would look very nice with it. I'm using this color, the lighter color of a brown, well, not lighter color of brown, it's not light at all. But this maroon color because it goes with the look a little bit. And it's easier for me to line my eyelid with eyeshadow than it is for eyeliner because I suck at eyeliner. We are done with this palette, so I'm just going to put it off to the side somewhere. To highlight my brow bone, I'm using CoverGirl's True Naked Nudes palette 805. It looks like this. And I'm going to use this color right here. It's like a tan, a light tan color. In my packing brush, when it's clean, I'm going to just place this in my brow bone. Hopefully you can see me. If it's blurry at any time, I'm very sorry. Like that. That's all that we're going to use from that palette. Now I'm going to line my lower lid, my inner lower lid, with the NYX retractable eyeliner in the color white. Looks like this. Now for mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Black is Black. That's what it looks like. If you hear chewing in the background, that's my rabbit, I'm sorry. He's chewing on his log. For lashes, I'm using Kiss Lashes in Sultry. They look like this. I have them cut. This is the normal size, and this is the size that I cut them to. I'm going to clean it of any other glue that I used recently. I only used these once, so they're pretty clean. I'm just going to strip it down so it's easier for the glue to stick on. These are pretty easy to clean off. Once you get a hold of the glue, it just kind of peels off. Using Kiss Lashes Strip Lash Adhesive for the glue. It's my favorite adhesive. The Revlon one's also good, but I haven't picked that one up in a long time, so I haven't been using it. Should I? I should go back to it. I should. I haven't seen it at the store lately though, so I'm just gonna pop you on to where I already have it on. Now that you're far away from me, I'm putting on Kat Von D's Shade and Light palette in the color Subconscious, which is this one right here. And I'm going to use that as my contour. I'm going to clean off my fluffy brush. Ew, it's wet for some reason. I'm going to contour my jawline, my cheekbones, and my temple. Now for blush, I'm using Siete London's Marble Light in Dusk. It looks like, if I can open it, looks like this. I use this a lot and it still hasn't got even close to Hidden Pan. Like, you can't even tell I've used it, but I have used this one a lot. I'm gonna use the same brush cleaned. And just pop it on my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero's Glow Kit in the color Forever Lit. It's this white one right here. I'm just going to use my finger. And I'm going to dab it on to my face, on my cheekbone, my upper cheekbone, on both sides, and on my nose. Before I put lipstick on, I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose 3-in-1 Primer Water. I'm going to spray it all over my face. Like that. I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and I'm going to just pat it all over my face to get any extra powder off so it doesn't appear cakey. Now for lipstick, I'm using two colors. I'm using my Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Flirty. It looks like this. This one I use normally. It's my favorite one. And then for the center of my lips, I'm using Kat Von D's liquid lipstick in Requiem. It looks like this. And I'm gonna just put it in the center of my bottom lip. And then really smush it around. Like that. And that is how you get this Valentine's Day look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it was easy to follow. Like I said, it was only one palette and ColourPop is usually not that expensive, so it's pretty affordable to purchase. I don't know if it's still on its shop. If it is, I'll try to remember to link it down below. I have a tendency of forgetting to link the items that I use in videos down below, so please forgive me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video either way. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.